Yo, what's good, gang? It's Don, the founder of Universal, and today we present to you the Week 1 RC. Yo, what's good, gang? It's Don, founder of Universal. Today we present to you the Week 1 RCs of the UVL 1K RC. We looked at consistency and quality of videos, but the first two RCs are Bunk and Koi. Congratulations to these two. Glad to bring them on board. With that being said, we have a little surprise, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to Bunk and Koi, but we need some more of you guys. So me and Anrig picked two of y'all grinders to 1v1. Winner joins as a third RC of this week. So let's get into it.
Single target in here.
This is Pell on high, I believe, right? Yeah, Pell. I believe Pell's up on mats. Yeah, he's definitely up on mats right now.
Yeah, he's already on metal.
Oh no, he's on.
I don't think he started on what's that?
Bro, he must be low on that drill. 100 pump, easy over there. Oh, he dropped it. He's trying to hit him.
Definitely up on mats for sure. This player, Pell, is on a new sense. He wanted everybody to know that. You know what I'm saying? He made it very clear that he was on a new sense. Let's see what he could do on it, though.
Oh.
It's the wall. Uh-oh. He decides not to go for the 50-50. He almost gives up Matt. Alright, you got hype back. You got hype.
I wonder if he's up mats now.
Yeah, oh yeah, he looks
Oh!
Bro, Vase isn't using his mechanics. He needs to use his mechanics. He needs to just fight him.
I mean,
because Vase doesn't.
But Pell's a really good fighter.
He's trying to play like a wager, but Vase doesn't do 1v1s, and he's new to wagers, so he needs to just like fight him. I feel like.
Do you think Vase is out of mats here? I don't know.
Oh, he might be close.
I think if Vase plays this really smart, then he could definitely like mat him out until Pell has no mats. He only has 150 left.
Yeah.
So I think Vase is playing too much mats too, though.
Yeah.
100 builds left. Uh oh. 5 builds.
That's a smarter.
No builds for Pell. Just 2. 1. No builds.
It's gonna come down to a 50-50, but Vase is down health.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's 3-0 right now.
3-0. I don't think we mentioned it, but it is first to 5, win by 2.
Yeah. 3 damage. Oh, this is most aggressive. I see Vase started. Oh, he's got high
yes, sir.
No toxic shit. I think Vase can win if he plays aggressive. He's like super nervous.
Yeah, he just playing like,
no, yeah, for sure.
Vase's thing is mechanics.
Oh. Yeah, these two are great.
How much ping does Pell got? How much ping does Pell got?
I think he plays.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's just gonna get chip damage with SMG.
Hey, chip damage adds up very quickly though. Good tag.
Exactly.
Oh, that could have been crazy.
Okay, he's keeping on the pressure. He's doing good. And he's up mats. He's up mats a lot.
That's a nice opportunity for a nice shot right there. Okay. Got too much fight.
I think they're both the same mats now, honestly. Everybody's up.
Yeah. Pretty quiet game right now.
Man, not too much happening. They're trying to look for a trade-off on each other, maybe. This get up on damage. As of right now, Vase has 99 damage and Pell has 0. Yet to do attack to Vase. Uh-oh.
Okay.
That's that 0 ping right there.
Yeah, definitely.
See how fast that ramp plays, bro?
Really plays with that one.
100 damage.
He looks like he's on
Vase
PC.
on Pell.
Where'd that shot go?
Oh,
Take the 50-50.
Nice.
GG. Yeah, Pell.
It's good
I mean,
that it's
Pell
purple
landed on his
spazzes,
head.
too.
yeah, he did.
These two have played each other a lot in real wagers outside of this. So
Yeah,
they know each
there's
other's
like a
play
little
style
bit of beef in
somewhat.
this.
Yeah, there's a little bit of spite, a little bit, you know what I mean? That's another reason we picked these two.
Good reaction time from Vase.
Oh,
Oh. You know who's on Mats?
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was a good ramp flip by Pell, I'm not gonna lie. He needs one
Yeah.
more to win the whole thing. Can Vase come back? What are y'all thinking?
I think he can. I think he.
Yeah, I'm thinking he can.
I'm thinking they make
It's
this
just how he
even
plays.
more-
Keeps high ground though.
Oh,
Oh my god, I thought
I
you.
thought it was
I
12.
heard the wind thought he was going there.
Yeah, same. I heard that one too.
Looks like
Oh,
they're.
they're both
I
dropping.
feel like they're both equal mats right now. I don't know. Vase
Nah,
could be lower.
Pell's up like 100.
Yeah.
Pell's up like 150 Mats at least.
Oh.
Oh.
Right there. That's definitely.
That was a lucky tag, but it definitely helped.
Yeah. 49 headcount. Always does.
Only 200 mats to his name, but does Vase have more?
No,
That's the
Vase has
question.
nothing right now.
Yeah,
See how he's
freaking
playing?
out. Yeah.
He probably, yeah.
Oh, he's jumping.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he
Uh-oh.
has 0. He has 0.
Uh-oh. Is this it for Vase?
Oh.
Is Pell the new member of Universal? He falls down with no mats. This could be a game breaker.
Oh.
Vase has to take smart peeks.
Oh.
He still has a fish. He's popping a fish. Oh my god. Vase. Oh.
Nice.
Vase.
That was a clutch,
Vase
bro.
going through.
Vase had no mats for so
Oh
long.
my
Yeah,
gosh.
Pell, I don't know what happened there, man. He just, the road just got reversed.
Pell, he
quickly.
fell down the hill and it was just
Yeah,
wraps
after
for him.
that, It just, the game went downhill right there. He was playing.
Wait, did he get broken out or did he fall off?
No, he fell down because he hadn't mad.
Oh, damn.
Oh, Pell
Okay, he's learning about that tag.
Oh, yeah. Oh, how about that one, though?
That was a good shot.
That was a full 50 tag. That's big palm damage right there. In zone wars, that adds up.
Dropping the
Mhm.
road down. Oh,
Oh,
Pell's falling on
Pell's
the
being
tag.
aggressive. It's going too. That's wraps. That's it.
wraps. It's a 5
Pell.
for Pell. You guys can
Wins
read
it.
yourselves.
Introducing Pell to Universal. Let's go.
Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, bro. GG's Vase. Holy fuck, I'm playing so bad.
Yeah, GG's, bro. Fuck, I'm so nervous, bro.
Yeah, I know, I could tell. Trust
I'm
me,
shaking so hard, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
GG's, bro.
Hey, bro, y'all both went crazy on that. Y'all both were crazy, bro.
I was nice and entertained.
Thanks,
guys.
bro.
I enjoyed it.
Wait, so then what does that mean, bro?
That means you're in the team, bro. What you mean? You can't announce though. You can't announce till the video's up.
Yeah, I got you.
Chat,
Let's go, baby. Oh my god.
you about to
Hey,
make
good
chat
stuff, bro. You
after,
deserved it, bro.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Trust me, you got my vouch, bro.
Yo, what's good? It's Demon. Thanks for watching. Remember, next week, there still is an opportunity to join Universal. If this video gets 75 likes, we will extend another week on top of that. So good luck, and we will see you next Saturday to announce the next 2 recruits. Stay positive.